What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. I'm on the truck with Mr. Joe, and he's got a lot of cool stuff to show you guys. So y'all come take a look.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright, guys, we're on the Cornwell truck, and Mr. Joe has got a ton of stuff to show you guys. So I'm going to let him take it, and you guys take a look.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? I hope good. Okay, we got a lot to go on, so we're going to start with some wrenches. These are heavy duty, extra long, double box wrenches. 22, 21.
Those are
They're
long.
about 20 inches long. Okay, they're heavy duty. You can see they're at least a 1/4 inch thick. I think they're a little better than that.
Right.
These are stout enough you can use them as steps if you put wrenches up on something. The set goes 8mm. Oh, let me make sure I'm right. 8mm to 22. Part number is WBWM10HP7ST. They are $409 for the kit. Can't do anything with the price on that. The standard kit is 5/16 to 7/8. That kit's on sale this month. That is WBWLOHP5ST, and that is on sale for $222. So that's the heavy duty Cornwell wrenches, extra long.
Those are heavy duty right
They
there.
are. Since we're on wrenches, I got the Milwaukee wrenches. I got them that go from 1/4 to 1 inch or 8mm to 22. I got the sets.
Notice how they lock together so you can fit them in a smaller drawer. That's really nice.
It takes advantage of your space so you're not wasting any. And they're all easy to read as well as on the box where it goes. So there's no guessing. They're very good. They give you 25% more torque over any other 1-inch wrench. They're easy identifiable. They're comfortable to grab. They've got the full cutout, double flank. They're hard wrenches to beat. They've been a top seller. I got them. They're $183 for the metric, $183 for the standard. I know Clay found them a little bit cheaper on Amazon, but I don't get them there.
Right. I know I love mine. They are awesome.
I'm going to show you the new Milwaukee soldering gun. I ordered them last July. Just got them in. They lock at 90, 45, or straight. They're an M12. When I turn them on, you got the light that points where you're soldering. So it gets right there at that point. If I leave it there longer, it will burn. The green flashing light, when it gets solid red, which takes about 15 to 18 seconds, that tip is hot enough to solder.
That's really nice.
Okay, it's solid green. That's what it is. It's ready to solder right now, that fast.
Wow.
Now you don't have no heat, no flame going anywhere else, melting anything else. It's just right there. When you turn it off, this here, as long as it's red, that's hot. I've tested it a few times. It's accurate. So we'll put a place there. We'll just kind of watch, see how long it takes to go off, because it takes a little bit. It's hot. We'll go more into pricing and the sizes. These are Cornwell screwdrivers.
I know a lot of guys have asked about what Cornwell screwdrivers look like, and I've explained to them you guys got two sets.
Yep.
one's a square handle, one's a round handle.
The round handle with the I'll call it like sandpaper grip, and these will all grip anything on the market. These are German made, but they're the ones we handle. We'll go into a full set. It's an 8-piece set, and pricing another time, more in depth. But this is it.
It's a good looking screwdriver. And it's got the hole there for you to stick another one through for leverage,
yeah.
you know. So.
Use them, abuse them, your heart's content. Find a way to destroy them, we replace them. This is our other one, with the square handle, and some guys like that grip better.
And you guys actually make those?
We make these here.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
So, like I said, we'll go more in depth on sizes and pricing next week or shortly.
Okay.
The other thing I'm going to show you, speakers. Everybody likes Bluetooth speakers, so we're going to turn this one on. You can tell these kick.
Right.
So we're going to put this one here, and this works as a pair. They're twins. And you can tell it'll kick. Just a little rock and roll. Not enough I can hear when I take my hearing aids out. They go for 160 for the pair.
Show them both. Yeah, those are nice.
Now you can turn the volume up or down. You got all your settings reset. If you have trouble Bluetooth, you can plug your phone or earphones to them, I believe. I think it's your phone. But these are Bluetooth. You got to work on bleeding brakes. There's 4 of these in there. So one person can do brakes. It's very easy, very ingenious. It's so simple. It's like, why didn't I think of this sooner? You unscrew your bleeder. This fits on. This locks on it tight. It's got a one-way check valve. So all you do is hang, if you're doing the 2 front brakes, you just loosen them both. You just hang this into a little bucket if you want, or on the floor. And then one person, all you do is pump it, fill it up, it's done. When you're done bleeding, tighten your bleeder screw, pull these off, it's done. You gotta do all 4, you just plug all 4 on, you pump the brakes, you don't need anybody else doing it. It takes care of it.
That is awesome.
These are $45 for the set.
Wow.
OTC.
Hard to beat that.
They are so convenient. It's like, why didn't I think of that? That is it. I mean, I didn't, somebody else did, but they did good. All right, and one last thing. Nobody said anything, nobody noticed, but this here. Remember the bucket of cash? Bucket of cash, it can be yours. And what I tell guys, and I got in my pocket, if that's your name on the front there, that's yours. Mr. Alan Mahan. $283 this time.
Wow.
It's a bunch of ones.
That's cool.
Now, it comes off me. It don't come off you. Now, how that works again is when a guy makes a $100 payment, I take $1 out of my pocket, put your name on it, put in the bucket. When it's full, I have a pretty lady pick, my wife. They get all mixed up, of course. And then whichever name she picks gets it all. It's usually $250 to $300.
Wow. That's
$283.
awesome.
And I saw Mr. Allen earlier today, and like I do everybody, unless it's the last guy at the last stop, it's, hey, good news, you won. He's like, oh, cool, cool. He's getting ready to walk away. I go, oh, wait a minute. I got bad news, too. He goes, what's that? He says, you don't get it till next week, because I got to show everybody. I let everybody know I want it. I carry this, show this to everybody in every shop.
There you go.
And I'm proud of that. I don't think there's any other 2-man that gives money away, and I'm talking about his own cash.
That's awesome.
I know there's not, so.
I know he'll be proud. I would be proud.
Oh, he is. He's happier and go down a hill.
There you go. All righty, that is super cool.
Keep the calls, the messages. I try reading them all. Thank you for everything. 2 thumbs up.
There you go.
Thank you, Clay. Thank you, everybody.
All right, guys. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.